This video is going to cover the handling of concurrent calls or multiple calls in Unaric Voice for Teams. So as we can see, I'm currently in a live call with Amber Williams, and we have the call notes for Amber Williams here. And what we're going to do is we're going to place a second call directly into this Teams user. This is the second call coming in. You can see the Teams toast on the right-hand side, and we're going to answer this second call. And because we've answered this second call, it's automatically placed Amber on hold. And we're now live in the second call. We can add call notes here. You also have the call result groups and the call results at the bottom. So for example, here we can set this to service, open case. And at this point, we can also switch between the two calls. So I can switch back to the Amber call now. You can see that the call notes for Amber are present, as well as the call result group and the call result. And if we switch to as multiple matching contacts, we can see the notes for call 2 are also present. So what we'll do with call 2 is this is popped to the search screen in Salesforce by design, and that's because we have two phone numbers linked to two separate contacts. So in this instance, we're going to say it was John Smith calling in. So if we click into the John Smith contact, we can see that John Smith has been recognized by Unaric Voice for Teams. It knows that you're within that record, so I'm going to assign this one. And now that that's been assigned, you can see that the related records are John Smith and the account Wilkins Medical Insurance. And we can see that the toast is also updated to John Smith's name in Unaric Voice for Teams. Now is I will end both calls. I'll end the John Smith call. And we'll go back into the Amber Williams call. And within here, the related records, the way that this works is as you navigate your way through Salesforce, Unaric Voice for Teams will keep updating which record you're inside. So for example, if we open this case, which is related to Amber, we can see that Unaric Voice for Teams is aware that you're inside this case, and you can assign the case here. Once that's been done, you can see the related records are now both the contact and the assigned case. So we can have the case reference here, and we can add this call as well. Because we've signed that particular call to this case, if we do a refresh, we can now see the call notes and the phone task has been linked to the case 1030 at the top, but also because we left it related to Amber Williams, we can also see that the same call activity can be seen against the Amber Williams contact record, as well as the related case here as well. And the same for John Smith. If we go into John Smith, the second call that we're live on, do the refresh, we can see the inbound call here and the notes